Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update. We're having a very great week in the cryptocurrency market. We're having a very great month. We're seeing all coins pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has gone up by 33% over the last 1 month. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins catching up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has only gone up by 6% over the last 1 week. Bitcoin trades above $35,000. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $38,000. As Bitcoin set new yearly highs and we're going to start dumping to Goblin Town, we're seeing the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, also make a huge dump towards $2,000. We see Ethereum get to as high as $2,100 over the last few hours. Can Ethereum break into new yearly highs? Continue pumping maybe to as high as $3,000. We're going to take a look at altcoin season index. We're going to take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. A lot of bullish news out there. Are we going to the moon or are we dumping to Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
FTT token is up more than 100% over the last 1 week. We've seen Casper gone up by 80% over the last 1 week. Solana has had a great time. Ron has had a great time. The altcoin market is showing us big pumps over the last 1 week. If you take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, guys, right now there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. This time last month, sentiment was neutral in the market. This time last month, we're still scared, expecting higher prices or lower prices. The bulls and the bears couldn't decide where we'll be heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks. Sentiment in the market this time last month was still neutral. Right now, we're seeing greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. And with greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market, we're hearing talks of alt season. Bitcoin has made a huge move towards a new yearly high. We saw Bitcoin pumping to as high as $8,000 since the 11th of September 2023. We have seen Bitcoin making a big pump to the moon, getting up by more than 51%. Bitcoin has pumped by 51% in just 59 days. Crazy things can happen in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen Bitcoin going sideways for about 6 months. Bitcoin got to $31,000 in April of 2023. And after since then, we saw Bitcoin going sideways for around 180 days before we started this big push to the moon. On a yearly time frame, guys, Bitcoin started the year around $16,000, and right now, basically everybody that has bought Bitcoin in 2023 is on sweet profit. The only people that are not in profit are the people that bought when Bitcoin got to as high as $38,000. But in 315 days, Bitcoin has been moving in the right direction. I know it might not feel like that. I know it doesn't feel like Bitcoin has had a very great year where we're pumping to higher prices. But that's how it always feels. We always feel happier when we look at the chart after all the move has happened. Now, if you take a look at the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum bottomed around the $1,000 level. Way back in November of 2022, we saw Ethereum trading around $1,071. But over the course of 1 year, Ethereum has rallied to that $2,000 level first in April of 2023. Right now, we have come back to that $2,000 level. And I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum over the next few days blasting above $2,000, magically teleporting to as high as $2,400. Guys, you know when Ethereum starts pumping, it goes very quickly. Let's take a look at top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The last 24 hours has seen the total crypto market cap start nearing that $1.4 trillion level, a 2% increase over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin, the king of the market, still sits at number 1, trading around $36,600. Bitcoin has gone up by 6.23% over the last 7 days. Ethereum sits at number 2. Ethereum is up 17% over the last 7 days. Ethereum is now outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum's market cap sits around $250 billion. BNB sits at number 4. We have XRP at number 5. Both of them are up double digits in the last 7 days. The crypto market has been pumping. A lot of altcoins are up double digits. Bitcoin has started underperforming. That's what you want to see when we're waiting for alt season. Dogecoin is up 10%. Dogecoin sits at number 9. Cardano ADA is up 16% over the last 7 days. Cardano that sits at number 8. And we have Solana. Solana has been the star of this alt season, currently trading around $48. Solana has seen a 23% increase over the last 7 days. Now let's take a look at gainers and losers in the cryptocurrency market, which coins are making big moves over the last 24 hours. Audi has gone up by 39%. Little DAO has gone up by 14%. We have Ethereum Classic up 13%. After a big move by Ethereum, we saw Rocket Pool going up by 13%. Fracture, Torchain, Optimism, and Ethereum also had huge moves over the last 24 hours. In the dollar section, Trust Wallet token has gone down by 12%, PancakeSwap 9%, Conflux 9%, ApeCoin 8%, and AVE has gone down by 8%. And those are the losers in the last 24 hours. But right now, general market is pumping. So basically, any coin that is losing today might be in the gainer section tomorrow, guys. Liquidations have been increasing in the cryptocurrency market. You want to be careful out there. Big liquidations over the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, over 144,000 traders were liquidated. Total liquidation comes in at around $429 million. The largest single liquidation happened on OKX. This trader was liquidated for $14.76 million while trying to trade Bitcoin. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated before the big move happened. One trader alone yesterday lost $14 million out of $118 million that traders lost trading Bitcoin. You don't want to lose your money before we see those big moves to the moon. If you take a look at the Altcoin season index, it tells us right now we're not in alt season, but we're not in Bitcoin season. We're heading towards that alt season. Alt season is when we will see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. And if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it is officially alt season. Right now, Bitcoin is up 28% over the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. I'm expecting more altcoins to start outperforming Bitcoin over the next 90 days, which will ultimately lead us to alt season on the monthly time frame. We're almost there. I'll not be shocked if we do that. I'll not be shocked if we continue outperforming Bitcoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. But while we're expecting alt season, guys, while we're expecting altcoins to have that huge pump to the moon against Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks, we have seen the total crypto market cap rally above $1.3 trillion. The line in the sand for us was that $1.23 trillion level. We got there earlier in 2023. Right now, we're blasted above it. Right now, we are trading around the $1.36 trillion level. I'll not be shocked to see the total crypto market cap continue pumping to higher prices. But Bitcoin dominance has been flashing signals that it wants to dump to Goblin Town. As Bitcoin dominance is losing value, we expect that value to flow into the altcoin market, and that's why we're anticipating alt season. Because guys, when alt season comes, everybody's happy, we're all rich. That will be the best time to sell for some sweet profit. In the alt season, all coins will go crazy, and the number one condition for us to see alt season will be Bitcoin dominance dumping to Goblin Town. Now let's take a look at some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Bullish stories front, left, and center. Basically any news story we see right now is tending towards Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, towards Ethereum having a great time. And we saw Bitcoin briefly top $37,000 amidst market optimism for pending spot ETF approval. Immediately Bitcoin got that $17,000 level, we saw Ethereum taking off towards $2,100. And Bitcoin possible traders as BTC price targets $40,000 despite declining volume. A lot of people are still shocked why we're pumping to higher prices. Guys, the market does what it wants to do when the market wants to do it. Lao military says country crypto operators owe $20 million in unpaid taxes, and Proof of Stake Alliance updates recommendation for staking providers. Crypto charities can exploit gamblers' fallacy to reap larger donations. We hear BlackRock iShares Ethereum Trust registered in Delaware. Can be recalled, guys, that immediately BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust was registered in Delaware. 1 week later, we saw them filing for Bitcoin spot ETF, and we saw Bitcoin pumping to the moon. So people are speculating that that might happen with Ethereum. People are speculating that we might see BlackRock have a Ethereum spot ETF and a Bitcoin spot ETF. That happens, that will see crypto market shooting to the moon. Microsoft enters a $100 million partnership with Canadian firm after quantum breakthrough. Financial Supervisory Commission of Taiwan awards first Financial Supervisory Commission of Taiwan awards first securitized token license. I hope I did not more that. Court confirms Celsius bankruptcy exit plan. $2 billion in crypto goes to creditors. Let's go back to the chart. The altcoin market, guys, sits around $398 billion. We have been tracking the total altcoin market cap. The total altcoin market, that's total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's about to break to new yearly highs. That $404 billion level has been the line in the sand. And if we can rally above the $404 billion level, we might see the total crypto market cap that's excluding Bitcoin, get to as high as $500 billion. That will see us adding $100 billion from where we're currently trading. And guys, remember, you know how these rallies can happen very, very quickly. You don't want to get left behind. You don't want to be buying high to think of selling higher. You want to buy low. You want to buy when there's no chaos, because right now, so we're entering those chaotic season. Right now, so we're entering where we see all season with all coins going crazy. We'll see a lot of FOMO. We'll see a lot of pumps to the moon. But remember to take some profits off the table, as we're not going to be pumping to the moon forever. Back to some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Lightspeed Fraction launches $285 million startup fund for crypto projects. BlackRock spot ETF plan is confirmed after Nasdaq filing. And Ethereum price hits 6 months high amidst BlackRock spot ETF buzz. But where is retail demand? We are still waiting for retail demand, so pumping to higher prices. And SafeMoon CEO bail release goes on hold after first sight flight rigs. Crypto Queen OneCoin legal chief pleads guilty to fraud. EA backs Data Act with clause to shut off smart contracts. Hong Kong ready to capitalize on crypto's next bull run. And Ethereum and Bitcoin users reignite scalability data after gas fees surge. That's the news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin trades above $36,000. Ethereum, the king of all coins, sits above $2,000. We're heading towards $2,400. Guys, where do you see the crypto market heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? If extremely return back to the cryptocurrency market, which all coins do you see making those huge pumps to the moon? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.